Boydie Nerdigans, this is the one and only Packer Girl 89. Today's Manga Nerdigan live reaction video is going to be for Chainsawman Chapter 11. So basically, last time I covered Chainsawman, Aki came to the rescue, and we had like a battle of dreams going on, which was really, really cool. But, dude, all Denji wants is some boob. He better be getting some tittage. He better be. Anyway, let's get to this chapter and see what happens next. Surviving the life and death struggle, and this chapter is titled Compromise. I picked up your arm for you. Oh, Aki, that's my baby. It stuck back on after you got a transfusion, apparently. You really are a lot like a devil. Weren't you acting awful friendly with the devil back there? I saw the two of you. You really don't know anything, do you? Devil hunters make a contract with the devil in order to battle other devils. I contracted with the fox devil. In exchange for lending me its power, the fox eats part of my body. This time I let it eat some of my skin. Oh, God, that's painful. Oh, looks painful. Devils always want humans to die. It's the same for devilmen. Power ain't so bad. The two of you were confirmed leaving the patrol area by surveillance cameras. On top of that, a large amount of your blood was found in the place we suspect the bat devil was hiding in. You were almost killed by the blood devil man. I'm not sure why, but you still seem willing to support devils. Huh? Who knows? Thank you for saving my daughter the other day. Apparently someone named Denji lent her his jacket, so I wanted to return it. When I was in the building, a devil said I got eaten. Warnings. When I was in the building, a devil said I'd get eaten, so I ran away. Looking closely, it looked like he was wearing a Public Safety Bureau clothes, so I wanted to say thanks. He said, the fuck do I know about this dumb shit? That devil turned the car and me in it! It was a devil with a chainsaw sticking out of his head. I love that the guy came too. That was great. Oh, if I investigated further and reported it, the blood devil man and you who protected her would both be put down. But this time there were no fatalities, so I'll let it go under one condition. Obediently do as I say. You are stupid, childish, and immoral. I'm more senior than you, and I believe that if you do your duty to society, you'll get your just desserts. So if you do what I tell you, then I'll protect your current lifestyle. How about it? If you understand, then answer me. Yeah, I'll keep it in mind. Relax. Aki's like, what the fuck? Relax, my goals ain't anywhere as elegant as y'all's, and my dreams are lame as fuck. But I'm just as serious as you motherfuckers, so you can count on me. Yeah, that's my boy Denji right there. At least learn to speak more politely. Ooh, I'll give that a thought too. Well, I'm innocent, aren't I? You figured that out already, so let me out of these. Is that really okay? If the devil girl ever kills a human, won't you get the blame for overlooking this, Aki? Hey! Stop it! I'm dealing with fuss budget animals here, so you're gonna have to excuse me. We're devil hunters. We'll use anything we can, be it devils or devilmen. But an enemy is still an enemy. You're just one more tool to use. I've no intention of making friends. Ah, oh, that's my boy, Aki. Wow, this house is tiny. I'd like to lend you I'd like you to lend Power a room at your house. You should. Yay! Power's gonna live with them. Yay! You should be able to keep a tight leash on Denji and Power. Why are you gathering all the freaks at my house? Because I trust you more than anyone else. Oh, okay. It's also a bit weird if she was always living out of here. Yep. Yeah, you don't have to worry. Power said she could behave herself, so it'll be fine. I hate vegetables. Blah. Huh? A carrot. Don't throw vegetables. That's rude to the farmers who made that vegetable, you asshole monster. I'm the kind of person who almost never takes baths. Oh my God, Power. Oh, that's disgusting. Get in. You stink. The toilet? I'm the kind of person who almost never flushes. Flushes it. It stinks. What's with you? Humans are so sensitive. Isn't that right, Nyako? She's the worst. Doesn't flush her own shit. Leaves vegetables on the plate. Oh boy. Hey, shit devil, your fucking shit is stuck and I can't get it cleared. Oh God, she clogged the toilet. Huh? A promise is a promise. I'll let you feel my breast, so go for it. Yes! Power! Oh my God. Is he gonna grope it? Is he gonna... Look, how do you like it? You're happy now, right? Squeeze, squeeze. She's an angel. Congratulations for the first time in his life. Yes! My boy got some boob! Oh, puppy, you stop it. You stop being a fuss budget. But my boy Denji got some boob. This is awesome. And Power, you're a disgusting person. You should be flushing the toilet, eating vegetables, and taking baths. It's gross that you do not. Or at least take a shower. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you happy Denji finally got boob? This house is getting very interesting. And Puppy, you need to stop being a fuss budget. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Nerdy Kids Inc. if you love what I'm doing and want to help keep this channel alive. There's a few ways you could do that. And Puppy, you need to stop. You could donate to my PayPal, Patreon. Oh, he wants to go play with my cat Pancakes. That's why he's being a fuss budget. You could donate to my PayPal, Patreon, GoFundMe, purchase something off my Amazon wishlist. All that's in the description box below. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter, Twitch, Facebook, friend me on PlayStation Network. That's in the description box below as well. Till next time, Nerdigans, I will be seeing you later. Bye!